in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue with your settings not opening properly on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel Android phone. So if the settings aren't appearing properly or they're crashing frequently, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen, and you do want to select the settings option if you're able to get into here, and you want to select apps. Select where it says see all apps, and then go down to the settings app in here and select it. So go ahead and select settings, select where it says storage and cache, and select clear cache. If you're still having a problem, come back in here and select where it says clear storage instead. Select delete. This will delete all of your app settings, by the way, so you make sure you have it backed up before you proceed. But then hopefully if you reopen settings, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.